Conditional formatting is used to change the appearance of cells in a range based on your specified conditions. The less than highlight cell rule will highlight a cell whose cell value is less than your specified value. Select one or more cells in a range. On the Home tab, in the Styles group, click the arrow next to Conditional Formatting, and then select Highlight Cell Rules, select less than. This will open a dialog box where you can specify the value and the appearance option. Apply to the range is showing the selected cells. Rule type is showing selected rule. Enter a specific value into the input field. Excel will compare selected cell values with this value. If cell values are less than this, then Excel will apply formatting on those cells. Select the desired appearance. From the drop-down menu, you can customize the appearance by changing the fill color, font color, and border type. Now click Done. The cells with values less than the given number will be highlighted in green. The specified value itself is not highlighted. The less than highlight cell rule also works with text values. To format text, repeat the steps. Excel will use alphabetical order, A to Z, to highlight the text values that start with a letter that is earlier than the specified value. Once the conditional format box is open, you can add new rules or edit and delete existing rules.